What's up, everyone? The next break is a NFL break, new product, 2024 Luminance NFL football hobbies. We're going to do 2 hobby boxes. This was a pick your team break, and here are the spots. David Hurchin has the Cardinals, Jerry Weeks the Falcons, Chris McLaughlin the Ravens, and John Pert the Bills, Jaden Panthers, Daniel the Bears, Ted the Bengals. Justice has the Browns and Mike the Cowboys, Aaron Broncos, Levy Lions, Michael Carter Packers, and John Torres the Texans. Mike Bayhill Colts, Ted Stover the Jaguars, and Jason the Chiefs, David Raiders, Ted Chargers, Jordan Rams, and Mike the Dolphins, Chris Vikings, Kevin Patriots, Daniel Saints, and Andrew has the Giants, John Manning Jets, Jaden Eagles, Joanne has the Steelers, and Richard 49ers, Dugan Seahawks, Jerry Bucks, Jesse Titans, and Jeff Copeland has the Commanders, and Ethan rounds it out with the college teams. All right, here we go. Wish everyone luck. Box number 1. We should have 3 autos and 1 memorabilia. That is the average per hobby. Pull all 4 packs out. Here we go. Pack 1. Good looking card. Jared Goff, St. Brown, and Walker. We have Hall to the Jets. We have Fusion. Boom! C.J. Stroud. Fusion. 7 of 10. Houston Texans. John. Cuz. That is a banger, bro. First pack. Magic. Nice hit, man. Welcome to the group. We have Tajee Spears to 150. That goes to Tennessee. Stevenson auto. Nice. This is to 100 to the Patriots. Kevin Steele. There you go, bud. It's good looking. Hicks, Milton, and DeJean. Well, that was a hell of a first pack. Cortland Sutton and Cooper Kupp. Allen, Ingram. We have engaged Trey Hendrickson. Man, these cards are sharp. Verse. This goes to the Rams. Nice hit. Nice. J.J. McCarthy. Minnesota Vikings to 150. Congrats, Chris. Harrison Jr. and Wilson. Moore, Robinson Jr. and Smith. Gibbs, Fusion, Jalen Hurts. Philly, Fred Warner to 299. We have Vinny Testaverde, nice patch card, vintage material to the Bucks. Congrats, Jerry. McKinstry, Jibinar, and Allen. All right, final pack. C.J. Stroud, Tua, Connor. We have Vestige, Dak Prescott, Dallas. Nick Chubb to 100 green, Cleveland Browns. Congrats, Justice. Smith to 100. Michael Pratt. This is his own card auto. Nice. Green Bay Packers rookie. Congrats, Michael Carter. It's a nice hit, bro. Ford, Grum, and Edwards. Well, that was a really good first box. Box 2. Smith, Stevenson, Jordan Love, and Smith. Unforgettable. This is the 100, Tyreek Hill, Miami Dolphins. There you go, Dolphins. Congrats, Mike Joyner. Nice hit, man. Deebo Samuel. Nice. The 25. Boom. San Fran. Richard Towers. My man, what a hit. 8 of 25. That is sick. Congrats, sir. Wow, those boxes have been dope so far. Barton to 100 green. Bell, Verse, and Arnold. Carr, Gardner, Fields, McBride. We have vestige of Justin Jefferson to the Vikings. Nice hit. Alex Highsmith. Nice. This is the 50. Pittsburgh Steelers. Joanne. There you go. Nice hit. 12 of 50. Cooper to 150. Blue. Smith, Barton, and Mitchell. Brock Purdy, James Jr., Rice. We have Bland to Dallas. Dynamic, Marvin Harrison. Nice. This goes to the Arizona Cardinals, David Hurchin. There you go, bud. Congrats, sir. Lockett Blue, that is to 150. Sam Laporta, patch card, Lions. There you go, Levy Bush. McCarthy, Tampa, and Bullard. Last pack. We will do a recap when we're done. Cousins, Herbert, and Barkley. Fusion, Kenneth Walker. To 299, Nico Collins to the Texans. Nice hit. Verse. Very cool. This is the glitter to 50. This goes to the Los Angeles Rams. Congrats, Jordan Michael. Nice hit, man. Jalen McMillan, Tampa Bay Bucks. Own card, red foil auto, Tampa Bay. Nice hit. Congrats. Turner, Drake May, Colson. All right, 1 second on the recap. Coming up next, we got football all weekend long. New product. We got Gold Standard back in stock. Score Football, Luminance, Topps Composite. We also have Major League Baseball breaks of Topps Chrome. All right, here we go with the quick recap. McMillan, red foil on card. Sam Laporta, Unforgettable, Tyreek Hill to 100. Highsmith to 50. Congrats, Joanne. Deebo Samuel to 25. Congrats, Richard Towers. Chubb to 100. To 100, Smith. Pratt on card Packers. To 299, Fred Warner. Vinny Testaverde, Tampa Bay Bucks. Verse. McCarthy to 150. Spears to 150. Stevenson, that is his autograph to 100, and Fusion Green to 10. CJ Stroud, Houston Texans. Congrats again. Who had the Texans again? John Torres. Welcome to the group again, bud. Nice hit. All right, everyone. Thanks for a great break. Coming up next, we got more NFL football. See you this afternoon.